Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia with a 2.4 Gdi engine. If you have one of those guys and you need to remove or replace intake Vvt Solenoid, also known as variable timing solenoid, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that, where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it, and in some cases 9 out of 10 times you don't even need to replace them. So stay with us and we'll explain what can cause your problems. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, for any of you that need to buy any parts, tools, solenoids, anything like that for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, with that being said, let's explain what we have here specifically. 2.4 Gdi engine, that's what it is, out of a Hyundai, but the same engine has been used in Kia as well. The cool fact about that engine, you can find it probably in up to 10 models, Hyundai and Kia models. So it's really easy to work on when you know what to do, and we'll be taking the whole engine apart and teach you how to do almost everything. We will need to go ahead and remove the upper engine cover. It attaches with 4 rubber bushings to the upper valve cover. So all we have to do, okay, you just grab with 2 hands firmly and pull it up. Make sure the rubber bushings are not still here. Those are the posts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, if you look at the engine right here, guys, the front side is the intake side, the back side is the exhaust side. You have 2 camshafts. One is the intake camshaft, one exhaust camshaft. This is a dual variable timing engine. It means that it changes the variable timing on the intake and the exhaust camshafts. So you will need to have 2 Vvt solenoids. And the intake one, okay, is right here, guys. Okay, that's the one. Now, stay with us and we'll explain what often can cause problem with those solenoids. You need to disconnect the wiring harness by pressing down and pulling out, just like that. Underneath, okay, there is one bolt that you will easily remove if you remove the PCV holes. Now the bolt is with Torx 30 star looking bit, okay, right there. So let's go ahead, do that, and we'll show you now how to remove it. Once you remove the bolt, in some cases that solenoid may be stuck really bad because it may not have been removed probably for a long time. So if it's stuck, okay, what you can do, you can turn it a little bit. Turn, okay, and wiggle. And if it doesn't want to come, okay, you might need to get big pliers, okay, and we will grab it, but don't grab for the plastic connector because you will break it, okay, and wiggle and pull. Make sure the O-ring stays on the solenoid when it comes out. Okay, perfect. This is the O-ring right here. Now, that solenoid, guys, we have a special video that explains how to test Vvt Solenoid on Hyundai. Check it out on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. And also it explains, okay, how you can clean those solenoids, okay, and what are the symptoms of bad solenoids. Because that solenoid, guys, okay, 9 out of 10 times if you clean the Vvt Solenoid on Hyundai, you will fix it, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.